Hello students, still we are solving exercise 3.2b question number 1, and today we are solving integral of next type, integration 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx and integration of 1 upon under root of this function into dx. Now in the previous lecture, we have solved examples on some special integrals, that means that 7 formulae, and here also we are going to use that only 7 formulae, but first we will simplify this integrand. Now we are always making the coefficient of x square 1, so here also we will make the coefficient of x square 1 by taking a common from these three terms. And so the middle term will be b upon ax plus c upon a. And now again we will find third term of this. So by completing square method, first coefficient of x is b upon a. We will divide by 2 and after that we will find the square. This is the third term. We will add and subtract and we will express whole denominator in terms of sum or difference of two squares. And then we will use 7 special integrals and we will solve by the regular way. So these are only the 3 steps to solve this type of integral, and if the integral of this type, we will take a common from these 3 terms. So outside it would be 1 upon root a, and here x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a into dx. And again we will use same formula here and we will find the third term and we will express this term in the form of sum or difference of two squares. And after that we will use these 7 special integrals, that means integrals having this root symbol, and we will solve by the regular way. Let's solve now this first integral and now check the denominator. This is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. So what is our first step? We are making the coefficient of x square 1, and already here the coefficient is 1, so our first step is covered. Now what is our second step? We will divide the coefficient of x by 2. So the coefficient of x is 8, so 8 upon 2. Now 8 upon 2 is 4 and we have to make square of this, and this square, 4 square is 16. We have to add and subtract 16 here to make this term a complete square. Look now, after first two term I will add this and subtract, and then we will write third term here plus 12 and then dx. Now this is a complete square of, write down square root of this x, middle sign plus, and again square root of 16 is 4 bracket square, and minus 16 plus 12 is minus 4 into dx. And again in the next step we will write this 4 also in square form, and this is 2 square and dx. Now this is in the form x square minus a square. So we will use this formula. So 1 upon 2a, a means 2 here, and then log of, now check x minus a. So x means we have to use here x plus 4. So I am writing here x plus 4, and then minus a means 2, and here x plus 4 and plus 2, and then write down plus c. And again we have to simplify this, and here 2 2s are 4 log x. Now plus 4 minus 2 is plus 2 and plus 4 plus 2 is plus 6. This complete, and plus c is the final answer of given integral. Let's check this second example. This example also in the form integration 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c, and our first step is we have to make the coefficient of x square is 1. So we will take this 3 common out. So first term will be 5 by 3, then after that 4 by 3x, and then minus x square dx. After that we will divide the coefficient of x by 2. So coefficient of x is 4 by 3, and if we will divide by 2 we have 2 upon 3, and then its square we will add and subtract. So its square is 4 upon 9, and so this is equal to 1 upon 3 integration 1 upon. Now check here, we will this add and subtract after first two terms. First two terms are this x square term and then x term. So here I am going to add and subtract this term. So first term 5 by 3 I'll write, then plus 4 by 9, then minus 4 by 9, and then write down these two terms. So minus 4 by 3x, and then minus x square, and this is dx. Now this is the expansion of complete square. So from these three terms we will take minus sign common, and here we will add up these two terms. Now check denominator, here 3, it is 9. So upside downside I will multiply by 3, and so 5 3s are 15 plus 4, 19 upon 9, and here we will take minus sign common out, 4 by 9 plus 4 by 3x, and then plus x square, and this is dx. Now we will keep these two terms in complete square form. Now check, we will write this as root 19 upon 3 and this bracket square, minus again this is the expansion of x plus square root of this is 2 by 3 bracket square dx. Now check again, we have to write integration symbol, and this is in the form 1 upon a square minus x square. So we will use this formula, and so I is equal to, first we will write this 1 upon 3, and then 1 upon twice a, so and again a means root 19 by 3. Now by this formula we will add up these bases here, and so plus this x plus 2 by 3, and in the denominator like this we will subtract minus x plus 2 by 3 and bracket complete, and here we will write plus c. Again in the next step this 3 get cancelled, so this is equal to 1 upon 2 root 19. Then check here, denominator is 3, so we will multiply and divide by 3. Same we will do here also. Now this common denominator 3 will get cancelled with this common denominator 3, and so we will write root 19 plus 3x, and then this plus 2, and again in the denominator root 19 minus, solve the bracket, minus 3x minus 2 plus c, and again in the last step we will rearrange this term. We will write this variable term in the last. So again we have root 19 plus 2 plus 3x, and in the denominator root 19 minus 2 and minus 3x, this bracket complete, and plus c. This is the final answer of given example. This is our third example, and check now, this is in the form 1 upon root ax square plus bx plus c. That means this is of second type. So here also our first step is to make the coefficient of x square 1. So we will take these 2 common from these 3 terms. So inside now we will divide by 2 to 3 these terms. So here 4, here minus 3 by 2x plus x square, and here we will write dx. Now our next step is we will divide the coefficient of x by 2. Now here coefficient of x is 3 upon 2 and we will divide this by 2, that means in the denominator we have to multiply. So this term will be 3 upon 4 and now we have to make square of this. So this square is 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. So we will add and subtract 9 upon 16 from this. This root 2 term constant we have taken out of integration symbol. Now we will write 4. We have to write now this plus and minus, but check the sign of x square term is plus. So first I am writing minus 9 by 16, then I'll write plus 9 by 16 and then we will write minus 3 upon 2x and plus x square. That means sign of this term should be same as this square term, and here we will write dx. Now this means the expansion of a square term, so we will collect and we will collect these two terms. Now check here, this 4 means 4 upon 1, so 16 4s are 64 minus 9 upon 16, and this means x minus middle sign is minus. Now square root of this is 3 upon 4 bracket square, and here we will write dx. Now check here, 64 minus 9 is 55 and then denominator is 16 and this term as it is, and again we will keep this term in the square form. So here we will write root 55 upon 4 and this term as it is. Now this is in the form root, this is a square plus x square. So a square plus x square means x square plus a square. So we will use this formula. So 1 upon root 2 we have written, and then log of, and again this x means we will write x minus 3 upon 4 and plus this root as it is. First we will write this bracket square and then constant square and plus this root and then we will write plus c. Now solve this bracket. So x square then 2 multiply by this means minus 3 upon 2 into x, and then square of this is 9 upon 16 and its square is 55 upon 16. So if we will add up, and that is plus 4 bracket complete and plus c. This is our final answer of given example. Check now, this term and this term is same, and so you can directly also write this for this. This is our fourth example. Now check the denominator. This is not in the standard form. That means ax square plus bx plus c. So we will multiply these two brackets as x into x, x square, minus 3 plus 2 means minus x, and minus 3 2s are minus 6, and here we will write dx. Now this is in the form root ax square plus bx plus c. So for our first step is we have to make coefficient of x square 1, and already it is 1. So we will go to the next step. Now check the coefficient of x, which is minus 1. We will divide this by 2. So minus 1 upon 2. Now make square. So its square is 1 upon 4. We will add and subtract here. I told you that the sign of this 1 upon 4 must be same as this square term. Here it is positive. So here first I'll write 1 upon 4. then minus 1 upon 4, and then we will write this minus 6. By adding this, we are making this a complete square, and so again in the next step, this is the complete square of x, middle sign minus, and its square root is 1 upon 2 bracket square. Now solve this. 6 4s are 24, minus 24 minus 1 minus 25 upon 4, and here dx. Now we will keep this term in complete square form. Square root of 25 is 5 and this is 2, its square. Check now. This denominator is in the form this under root x square minus a square. So we will use this formula, and so we will write log x. Instead of x we will write this x minus half and this root as it is. Instead of x we will write x minus half and plus again this root as it is, and then we will write here plus c. Check now. This is actually the simplification of this and lastly this. So instead of this root we will write this. So here we will write x square minus x minus 6, this bracket complete, plus c. This is the final answer of given example. Here we have completed second type of exercise 3.2b, and we are going to look third type in the next lecture.